two dogs playing together. The black one's called Jack and the blonde one's called Rosie. Rosie's a Cavachon. Jack is a Cavapoo. Look at them. Oh God, pinned down. Two dogs playing together. How cute is that? Oh God, they're right under my feet. Oh God, they're stuck in the hole. Let her up. Let her up, Jack. Nah. They're literally like right under my feet. So cute. Anyway, bye guys. This was Raz Tiger Gamer filming the dog next door, which is the black one, and the dog here where I live, which is the blonde one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nice little playing together film YouTube video thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.